So it is official like tissue. Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5 are officially back in the App Store. And though we don't yet know if this is going to be permanent, this is definitely some good news, especially for some of you newer traders that's never really got the chance to experience what it's like to monitor or place a trade through your phone. So if you're brand new to trading, you don't know what Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5 is for whatever reason, these are trading platforms that you can actually download to your phone and link your broker to be able to trade and monitor trades directly from your phone. Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5 are probably the most popular platforms that almost every Forex trader in the world was using until recently in 2022 when they got taken down from the App Store. Now, they were not removed from the Android Play Store, they were only removed from Apple's App Store. Now, I know, if I didn't see it with my own eyes, I wouldn't believe it either. So let's cut camera real quick and show you guys that it is actually here so that you can get just as excited as I am. So here we go, guys. The moment we have all been waiting for. I actually loaded it up on 2 devices so that we can see that this is real. I have my iPhone here. We got MT4 on the iPhone, and then right next to that, Metatrader 5 on the iPad, which we have never downloaded MT4 or MT5 on the iPad. So you see, this is brand new, and we are back, baby. We're back in action. Now, though there were many rumors as to why they were actually removed from the App Store, just literally randomly, especially after the whole situation with Russia and everything like that, it was almost like back to back. The one that makes the most sense, which we are now kind of seeing come to fruition, is just very simply the regulators are cracking down on unregulated brokers, which is kind of what they did to binary options, but we're not going to get into all of that. And there was so much fraudulent activity happening within the Forex space and people trading with or on brokers that were not regulated and had a bunch of issues. Brokers that were allowed to be linked to Metatrader 4, it only made sense that they shut down the main like mother home for all traders, which was Metatrader 4, Metatrader 5, or just the MetaQuotes company in general. Got completely just locked out of Apple. Now, although we do not know if this is going to be permanent, one piece of advice that I can give everybody here, I was very against it at first because I love MT4 so much. I just didn't see the purpose in upgrading to MT5, but I will say this, based on rumors that are coming out now, MT4 will once again be removed from the App Store. So this is your chance now to either one of 2 things. Number 1, make sure you download it while you have the chance. Or number 2, the better route will be just start getting into Metatrader 5, because this is the one that seems like it's going to be sticking around for more of a longer period of time. Now, not only is there the risk that MT4 might get removed once again, but from what I'm seeing as well is that a lot of brokers, especially the regulated brokers, are now moving more towards Metatrader 5 than they are Metatrader 4. So they're kind of pushing MT5 more than MT4. So again, it's kind of just giving you little clues here and there. Just go download MT5. Even if you're not going to be trading it right now, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Now, with the recent and upcoming news, we're going to see a huge crackdown on unregulated brokers within the next few weeks. So my biggest piece of advice to everybody here is that if you are trading on an unregulated broker, especially a broker that operates out of St. Vincent or any of the other islands around it, you are going to want to get your butts to a regulated broker. Now, I know trading on regulated brokers probably aren't the sexiest thing in the world. You know, small leverage, you know, sometimes the spread is a little bit crazy, the fees are a little bit crazy, but there are a few regulated brokers out there that you can kind of get your bang for your buck. In fact, I actually just recently made an account with a platform that is regulated but kind of have all the benefits of an unregulated broker. So they have the super tight spreads. They allow you to trade anything from obviously regular currencies, commodities, indices, crypto. Everything is good on that. And it's also 1 to 500 leverage too. So all in all, I mean, it looked pretty good to me. Like I said, it's almost like it has the benefits of the unregulated platforms, but it is actually regulated. If you guys want some more info on that, you go ahead and check the link down in the description below. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you think is really going on in the Forex industry right now? Do you think it's really just one big regulatory issue, or do you think there's a bigger game being played that we are unaware of? Let me know down in the comment section below. And if you are excited for these apps being back in the App Store and you enjoyed this video, hold smash the like button for your boy. Subscribe if you have not already subscribed, and you're definitely going to want to check out this playlist that we have on the screen right here, because we literally have dozens of videos, hundreds of thousands of views, teaching you guys the ins and outs of Metatrader, how to use it and how to make money on it. But as always, this is your boy Rico, aka RockStarrFX. I'm out. Peace.